In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable image zoom on WooCommerce product pages. If you want your product images to stay static and not zoom in when customers hover over them, this is a simple way to do it directly from your WordPress site using a plugin. This approach is especially helpful if you don't want to edit code manually and would rather manage the setting through your dashboard. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your website, plugins, and WooCommerce settings. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to Plugins and then select Add New. This will take you to the plugin library where you can search for tools that extend the functionality of your store. In the search bar, look for a plugin designed to control or disable WooCommerce image zoom. Examples of tools in this category include plugins focused on disabling image zoom or adjusting the product gallery slider behavior. The exact plugin you choose may vary depending on your theme and WooCommerce setup, so it's a good idea to read the plugin description and make sure it supports the feature you want to change. Once you've found a suitable plugin, go ahead and install it, then activate it. After activation, the plugin will usually add its own settings panel or integrate with your existing WooCommerce settings. This is where the actual zoom behavior can be turned off. Next, open the plugin's configuration area and look under your main WooCommerce settings tab or under the plugin's own settings page if it has one. You want to check the available image or gallery options and make sure any hover-based zoom actions are disabled. Depending on the plugin, this setting might be labeled as image zoom, hover zoom, magnify effect, or something similar. The goal is simply to make sure those hover actions are unchecked or switched off. After saving your changes, it's a good idea to visit one of your product pages on the front end of your site and test the image behavior for yourself. Move your cursor over the main product image and confirm that the zoom effect no longer appears. If the zoom is still active, double check the plugin settings and make sure there isn't a theme-specific product gallery feature overriding the plugin's controls. That's it. By using a plugin and adjusting the hover settings, you can quickly disable image zoom on WooCommerce product pages without touching any code.